Look at this 2012 Ram 1500. Carfax has certified this 1500 as having one owner. This 1500 has just under 11,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This 1500 boasts a 4.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 23A ST Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, Chrome Appearance Group, Trailer Brake Control Group, ST Popular Equipment Group, 6-speed automatic transmission, anti-spin differential rear axle, federal emissions, bright white, dark slate medium graystone, cloth 40/20/40 bench seat and the Class IV receiver hitch. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.